Hi and what's up? In today's episode is going to be interesting. Today I'm going to be using arrowroot or Nduma. If you are not familiar with Nduma, this is Nduma. And Nduma or arrowroots are a good source of starch and their tubers. So today we are going to be using Nduma. And I have carrots, assorted peppers, onions, garlic, coriander, and blended tomatoes and a few spices. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to move over to the stove top where I've placed a pot and add cooking oil. So this is how my Nduma is looking. So I've peeled the skin, which is usually very rough, and chopped into large cubes. And as you can see, yeah, these are just average size cubes. I'm going to add in onions. Then I'm going to cook my onions until soft. That is about 1 to 2 minutes or 1 to 3 minutes. Once my onions are soft, I'm going to add in 3 cloves of garlic. Stir in and cook until fragrant. Once fragrant and there is a golden brown color, my garlic is ready. So I'm going to add in blended tomatoes, stir in, and at this point I'm going to be adding my spices. So I have 1 beef stock cube and 1 seasoning cube, a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then I'm going to break the seasoning cube and stock cube, stir in and let this cook until the tomatoes are cooked through. So I'm going to add in my chopped carrots. The reason I've chopped my carrots very large is because I want them to cook together with the arrowroots. So the moment the arrowroots are ready, my carrots also will be ready. So the carrots won't be overcooked. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to say. So this is how my tomatoes are looking and carrots. So I'm going to add in my arrowroots. Stir in. Once everything is combined, I'm going to add in water. Stir in the water and cover and let this cook for around 2 minutes. When it comes to a boil, I'm going to check the seasoning. It's been around 30 minutes cooking my arrowroot. So this is how my arrowroots are looking like, and they are almost ready. As you can see, the edges of the arrowroots are starting to break down. So I'm going to add in some assorted peppers, stir in, and give this about 1 minute, and then I'm going to serve. And I love how my arrowroots have been cooking together with the spices, or rather boiling with the spices. All the spices have been soaking into the Nduma, making the Nduma or arrowroot very flavorful. So this is going to be so delicious. Also, my arrowroot is very well seasoned, so this is going to be very delicious. So I've been appreciating vegetables all this month, so this is another vegetable recipe. Yeah, no meat. So I'm going to garnish with coriander, stir in, turn off the heat, and serve. So my lunch is ready, and I'm going to surely enjoy each and every bite. First of all, because this is very healthy and very filling. The arrowroots are very rich in starch, hence they'll be very starchy and filling. Yeah. So also I have carrots, and the beef stock cube and seasoning cube have added a lot of flavor together with the cumin. So I hope you try this recipe at home. Switch the regular rice with this amazing dish, and your family will surely enjoy. Catch you on my next one. Bye.